1. Add engine oil to lawnmower. Turn counterclockwise. Open the engine oil tank cap. Pull out the dipstick and check the oil level should be within grid area. 2. Fill gasoline to the lawnmower. The lawnmower uses 90 to hash gasoline. Open the gasoline tank cap counterclockwise and add 90 to hash gasoline. Turn counterclockwise to open the vent. 3. Push the power button up to turn on the remote control. Pull the left rocker of the remote control down to the bottom to cancel the alarm throttle position. 4. Emergency button. Press down to stop, pop up to working status. Please keep the emergency stop button pop up. 5. Push up to turn on the power switch. 6 voltmeter. The one on the left is the running voltage. The fully charged state is above 48 volts. The one on the right is the starting voltage. It can start normally if it is above 12 volts. 7. Start the engine. Lift the damper upward to the maximum position so that the damper is in the open state. SW4 is the engine start button. Push it upward to start the engine. After the engine starts successfully, pull down the damper to close. Eight. Lawnmower blade lifting and lowering. Push the SW1 lever to the top and the blade will rise. Move the SW1 lever to the lowest position and the blade will descend. Move the SW1 lever to the middle position to stop rising, falling. Note, before the lawnmower is powered off, the SW1 position returns to the center. Otherwise, it may affect normal use next time. Note, do not touch the full fine-tuning buttons tune. Avoid modifying the default settings and affecting normal use. 9. Lawnmower walking. The right rocker of the remote control is used to control the forward movement and left and right rotation of the lawnmower. SW2 is used to adjust the walking speed of the lawnmower. Dial down for low speed, dial up for high speed. Open the water tank lid and fill in water past the side. Open the hood. Check engine oil level. The position of the engine oil needs to be within the grid lines on the dipstick. Start the engine. Turn the key to the right to turn on the first level switch. Press the red switch to the right on. Turn the air door to the left and open it. Turn the key to the right again. Turn on the secondary switch. And start the engine. Turn the damper to the right and close it. Press the handle and pull up the throttle. The larger the throttle, the greater the spray flow. Spray switch, Push the left rocker of the remote control to turn it on. Push right is to turn it off. I observe the water outlet of the sprayer. Press the handle and pull up the throttle. The larger the throttle, the greater the spray flow. Power off the lawnmower. Stop the engine. Turn SW3 upward and hold it down until the engine shuts down. 11. Pull down the power switch to turn off the power. Push the power button down to turn off the remote control. Stop the sprayer. Press the red switch to the left to turn off the power. Turn the key to the left to turn off the engine.